Potato snacks recipe. Let's make boiled 3 potatoes. Mash them. One tsp salt. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp chili flakes. Half tsp ajwain. Half tsp cumin powder. 1 tbsp dry coriander seeds. Add fresh coriander. Add green chili. 2 tbsp corn flour. 2 tbsp breadcrumbs. Mix it well. Don't skip the video, watch till end. Fry until golden brown, medium to low flame. Served with love. So crispy and yummy. Must try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Kindle, like, subscribe, share, and comments.